Alright, great. Winter, did you find the yearling? Okay, that's great. We're going to move on to number 7. Now we're going to count and label the number of tentacles. How many tentacles does a squid have?
8.
Really? It does not. It has 8 arms. It has 2 tentacles and 8 arms. Alright, so the tentacles, they're longer than the arms. And they have suction cups only at the tips. So let's locate the structures that are longer than the arms. And they only have suction cups at the tips. They only have suction cups at the tips. Now, what do you think these structures are used for? What could these structures be used for? Carlos?
To grab onto.
Okay, yes. It grabs onto its prey. That's the only purpose of the tentacles. Now, let's label our tentacles on our external squid anatomy handout. Let's label our tentacles. How many tentacles does it have? 2 tentacles. We're labeling the tentacles.
Here's one of them.
Have you labeled your tentacles, Monet?
Yes, ma'am. There's 2.
Have you labeled them on your paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good job. Now, how many arms does it have?
8.
8 arms. So let's go and count those arms. And then we're going to label them. Locate the arms, count them, and then we're going to label them.
All of them?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. Do you just like color? I don't know the one where next to Squid. Do you do that to turkeys? Like
Dissection? No, we just cut a turkey to eat the turkey for Thanksgiving. Yeah, we cut it. Dissection is so we can learn from it. Alright, moving on. This is the next part. This is where we're going to begin to look at the internal anatomy, but we're still kind of focusing on external structures. So, what we're going to do is, you're going to take your squid and you're going to hold it like a flower. Not now, you're paying attention to the teacher. You're going to hold your squid just like a flower, kind of open it up a little bit. We're looking for the beak. We're trying to locate the beak. This is so that we can see the mouth. Okay? The beak is hard. It's dark brownish color. So when you locate the beak, you're going to draw it in the external anatomy. After you do that, I'm going to show you how to take the beak out. So let's go on and locate our beak. And then we're going to draw it. And then Miss Reed, of course, is going to show you how to take the beak out. Okay, then you draw it on your external squid. Draw it on your external squid anatomy.
Right in the middle, right here. Mm-hmm.
I didn't know your mouth fell out. I think his mouth fell out.
Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to locate, I'm going to explain to you how to take the beak out. Alright? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, great. So this is how our beak looks. We're only going to take the beak out. Now, if you're really, really good at this, you can probably take the top and the bottom out at the same time. If you're not, then just take them out one at a time. It's okay. So this is how it looks. Is that how yours look?
Yes.
Of course, it's smaller. So you're still going to hold it like a flower. You're going to wait. Of course, someone just took my scissors. What is going on? Where's my scissors? Let me kind of zoom in so that you can see. Now, even though I said that the beak was a brownish color, it definitely is. But when you start to take it out, it's going to be translucent around the bottom. What does translucent mean? Talk amongst yourselves. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. And no one should have scissors in their hair right now because they're focused on me. Alright, so you see how I have angled my... Hold on, let me back this up. So. See how I've angled this a little bit? Did everybody see that?
Yes.
I'm not doing this. It's not up like this. It's flat. So you just grab onto it and you just pull it out. So, for some odd reason, I only pulled out one part. So this is part of the beak, and then I can take out the other part. No one should be starting now because they're still watching me. And you just pull it out. So there it is. So that's the top and the bottom portion of the beak. Alright, okay, so let's go and get started.